In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can boot into recovery mode on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to shut down the Mac. We can do this by pressing and holding the power button, or alternatively we can go to the Apple logo in the top left hand corner and then select shut down, and in the pop-up menu select shut down. Now you want to wait about 10 seconds for the screen to go off for the Mac to fully shut down. Now we've done this, we just need to boot up the startup options. So to do this, we're going to press and hold the power button, and when you see the Apple logo it says continue for startup options, so we're going to do that. And once it says loaded startup options, we can release our finger from the power button. And now we just need to wait for the startup options to appear. When the startup options appear, they will look like this. Now to boot into recovery mode, you want to select the options button and then select continue. After a few seconds, we'll be successfully booted into macOS recovery mode. So we need to select our macOS profile and select next. And then you want to enter in the password for that profile and select continue. And then after a couple of seconds, you will successfully booted into the macOS recovery mode. From here, we can restore from a time machine, which will need an external storage drive to do so. Below that, we can reinstall macOS Home, and we can also do this without removing any personal data. Below that is a web browser where we can get Apple support. And finally, last but not least, we can use Disk Utility to manage any storage devices connected to the Mac. If you want to access a terminal from the recovery mode screen, you simply want to select Utilities from the top menu bar, and then you want to select Terminal from here. However, if you simply want to restart your Mac, then you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner and select Restart. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.